Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back again to another Foxtecc video, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off email notifications from Instagram. Instagram notifications can be delivered in two different ways, which is the regular push notifications that you get on the lock screen or somewhere on your phone, as well as email notifications. Most of us are familiar with the push notifications that alert us instantly when someone sends us a direct message, follows us, or likes our posts. But besides these, Instagram also sends email notifications, which, to be honest, I never even read. These emails can be pretty annoying, and if you're like me, you want to turn them off. Even though my email client, like the Gmail app, filters out of social media emails, I still think it's a good idea to turn off these notifications directly from Instagram. This way, you won't have to deal with any unwanted emails cluttering up your inbox. So let's get started on how to do this. At first, you need to open your Instagram app, and once you're inside the app, look for the horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, which is usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on this menu to access your settings, and now your Instagram settings menu can be a little bit overwhelming because there are just so many different options available, because you can just scroll through them if you want, but I would recommend you to just use the search bar at the top and type in the word notifications. This will quickly bring up the notification settings, saving you time and effort. So once you found these, tap on it to enter, and within the notification settings, scroll down to the bottom until you find the section specifically for email notifications. Tap on this section to open it, and here you'll see various categories for email notifications. Instagram allows you to control different types of these alerts, such as those for comments, reminders, or product emails. So depending on what you prefer, you can choose to turn off the email notifications specifically for some categories or turn them off completely. So it's up to you. You can play with these and you will no longer receive those email notifications from Instagram. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll catch you in the future.